I did it. I finally found the single craziest person being removed from a plane that I've ever seen in my life. Besides somebody physically being thrown off one like in midair or whatever, this is definitely one of the absolute wildest ones. Let's have a look here. So this lady absolutely loses her mind on this plane. And like, I mean that literally, like that she genuinely does. And it starts crazy and then just gets more and more and more crazy. Let's check it out.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Smith. I'm with Nashville Airport Police. They're saying that they want you off of their aircraft.
Why is that?
I don't know. They just said that you were refusing to get off their aircraft after they asked you to get off.
Right, they didn't give me a reason why I needed to get off. They told me that they were going to talk to me outside, as if they didn't want me to, they didn't inform me why they were going to, hold on, I'm going to catch my breath. I'm like, I don't understand why there's so many people like on top of me.
Okay,
Like, this is
have
not
you had
okay.
anything to drink today?
No, I keep asking for water. They didn't give me water. They told me that the plane was delayed. I just want water.
Okay, have you had any alcohol today?
No, I'm
Okay.
on a sabbatical.
Okay.
How did she go from like, hey, I just want some water. Why is nobody giving me water? Why is everybody here? No, I'm on a sabbatical. Like, talk about crocodile tears. You can literally see it on her face right now. The fakeness in that cry. Like it was so fake. And also, what has being on a sabbatical got to do with not drinking? A sabbatical is when you take a break from work, right? And you go travel or whatever. Like, to me, that would be the time that you would take up drinking as a hobby.
Okay, so do you mind stepping off the aircraft and they can talk? My name is Officer Smith, yes.
I'm sorry. You see, I think it's important that people call you by your first name.
You can call me by my first name, that's fine.
Thank you.
Do you mind stepping off the aircraft? We can figure out what's going on.
Let me know. I'm going home, so I need to know why I'm getting off.
No, you're
the
not.
plane.
So they're a private company. They're allowed to refuse you service on their aircraft. So
Anytime a private company, like a business,
yes, they're a business. So they're allowed to refuse you service.
like
So
capitalism.
okay. So if you do not get off the plane, we are going to deboard the entire plane and we will pull you off of the plane.
You're gonna pull the. I have to set my intention and I have to breathe. Stay calm. Stay calm.
So
Stay calm.
I don't know what's going on. Like I said,
The guy next to him has got a black belt in minding his own business. Next to her, rather, has got a black belt in minding her own business. His own business. What the hell? I mean, I did just assume both of their genders. I'm just saying. Modern world. Modern world.
they
I'm
didn't tell
just
me what
trying
the
to go
problem is.
home.
So if you will get up and just walk off, then we can deal with it.
Okay, what is the reason why I'm getting off the plane?
They're a private company and they're allowed to deny you service on their airline.
Okay, can I get the reason why they are denying me service?
They don't have to have a reason.
So they can just throw me off.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you serious?
Yep. They're a private
the
company.
law?
They're a private company.
Any private company can do that?
Yep.
Can you breathe? I'm getting like, can I have some water? I thought you guys were gonna bring me some water.
No.
Okay.
So
I'll
either-
wait here for the water. I'll just keep coloring.
Ma'am, you need to stand up and get off the plane, or every single person's going to get off of this plane. And we will deal with you.
You're gonna deal with me if I don't get off the plane.
Yeah.
You're gonna deal with me? What does that mean? Like you're gonna kill me? You're gonna like deport me? Like my family is from Portugal? Like that's not okay.
I have no reason
I'm
to
a U.S. citizen, and I'm white, or maybe I'm black. I don't know. But this is just a tattoo. See, I am human too.
Okay.
Mic drop.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the first.
Where was the? How is that a mic drop? This this is only the beginning of it. This one is a little bit longer than normal, so prepare yourself. That's what she said. Oh wait, no, that's what he said. Unless you're in Thailand. Modern world. Modern world.
Female.
Can we deboard the plane, please?
I want to go home too.
I'm not doing this with a plane full of people.
Again, I'm your captain here. Obviously, you can tell we have a master.
I'm not doing this with a plane full of people.
Quiet manner.
Instead of getting all the way off, go in the back.
But the only option we have coming before us, if we can't get the lady to help us move on, is for the whole plane to deplane.
No way.
Get out. So
This is my fourth rescheduled flight. Please don't do this. Get out. I'm supposed to go home on Sunday.
take care of this. Respectful way.
The water.
Did she really just say, "Can I just have a water"? We're gone past that, lady. I mean, god damn.
Not to have water.
Hotel 5 still shows door unlocked. May I re-secure it, or do you still need it open? Hotel when a parachute waiting.
Because there's no reason. Nobody told me about getting off.
Hey, starting from the front, start walking off the aircraft.
We need water.
19, do you just want to have her sit back down?
Okay, we need to get everybody off. We're going to get the seatbelts on the top down. Everybody please deplane in an orderly fashion. Okay, please. I think it's your overhead bins.
That's a huge.
You gotta get off?
Yeah.
Our bags.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Stay by just a second here. Hold on.
Let's go. Just go off and we'll talk, okay? What's your name?
I didn't mute that, by the way.
Just step off and we'll just talk about it, okay?
Why are we stepping off?
Because they don't want you on this aircraft.
They don't want me on this aircraft.
Yeah.
Why?
Let's just talk
Because
about
I'm
it.
tall? Because I'm white? Because I'm black?
Let's go talk about it.
I am human too.
Let's just go talk about
Mic
it.
drop.
Let's just
I
go
need
talk.
Barack Obama.
Mic drop.
Come on.
Tony Robbins.
Hey, I'm being quiet with you. Just get off.
This flight is important.
Let's just get off there.
Everyone on this plane, remember, I will be the first U.S. female president in the United States of the Kazakhstan.
There's quite a bit to unpack there. I will be the first female president of the United States of Kazakhstan. Disco dance. It's nice.
Ian, remember this.
All right, let's just go talk about it there.
I'm sorry. Can you call somebody? Can I make a phone call?
Yeah, we can get my supervisor down here and all that.
I need to talk to I need to talk to my husband, please.
You're all right. We can go on.
That poor bastard.
Talk to him, okay? Come on.
Control, can you share on camera?
Come on.
I'm so scared.
You're all right.
Can I have some water?
I'm here with you, okay?
Control, I am 10-4. Preston on accident.
Breathe.
Come on. Okay, let's go outside. We'll get you some water.
That's the key.
Let's get you outside and we'll get you some water.
Can you help me?
I'll help you.
I want to get home to Australia.
I'll help you, okay?
I love
Listen,
Australia. Okay,
I'll help you.
I can't wait to go back. I want to go back this year.
All right, let's go this way.
I'd love to get fines. My name is Gary.
Katie, come down here. She's acting more erratically at the
Gary
moment.
is the key. I want to live there.
All right, come on.
Control, she's off the aircraft.
Be underway as soon as we can get everybody back seated and thank you.
Okay, do you want her 10-15 or what's going on?
Don't know if I'd be leaving her free range like that.
Control that out, mate.
Here, come over here. Let's have a conversation.
She is off the aircraft.
Here, we'll get you water.
Can I have water?
Yeah. They're gonna get you water. Just come sit down and we'll talk.
I think it's easier when we're walking. Can we walk and talk?
No, let's have a sit. Let's have a
Oh,
seat.
what the hell?
Okay, can I talk to my
All
husband
right,
first?
stop.
What? Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Did she undo the front of her dress? I haven't seen this whole video. Like, as I said in a previous video, I intentionally don't watch the whole thing. I just skip through. I did not notice this bit.
Why am I
shit.
stopping?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you arresting me? Are you serious?
That's right here. No! You're gonna get tased.
Oh my god, she's got the
Get on the
jumpies out.
fucking ground right now.
Why? I want to pull my husband!
Get the other car.
Give me your arm now.
I have her in control.
All right.
1911, not 10-4.
We're 10-4, we were 10-15. Lock your cuffs. I don't know how to do it.
Jesus Christ.
I can get up myself. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm sorry, I just want to...
Put that shit away, please. I did not expect that. That was like some Dawn of the Dead shit.
I don't know how to do it.
Jesus Christ.
I can get up myself.
Stay down.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm sorry, I just wanted to talk to my husband and I asked for water.
Please close your
ask-
dress. Let me close your dress.
Sorry, it's hot.
Karma, let her stand up.
I just want water. Can I stand up?
Yeah.
I can get up by myself.
1, 2, 3.
Stand up. Okay. We're gonna close your dress.
Is that a camera?
Yes.
That's cool. Where does it go?
I don't understand your question.
Like, who watches it?
My department.
Your Department of the Airports?
Yes.
And the TSA of the United
Not
States?
TSA. No.
You're not the TSA, you're the
No.
police?
Okay, so we're gonna walk downstairs. We're gonna go to one of our patrol cars.
Okay, I just have to breathe. Can I have water first, please?
No.
You're not gonna give me water.
No, ma'am. Not after the scene you just caused. We can have water later.
What did I do?
You just threw yourself on the ground.
What do you mean, what
I
did you
sat
do?
down.
You did not sit down. You undid your
That's
dress.
bullshit.
You exposed yourself to everyone in the airport.
It's hot.
You're
Can I
going
ask
to
for
jail.
water?
You're being arrested.
Okay. I'm not gonna fight you. Promise.
Well, you already did a little bit.
Sorry. Jeff? Can I just call you Jeff?
Yeah, what's your name?
Sarah.
Okay, Sarah. Just calm,
My name is
try to
Jeff.
calm down, okay?
Can I have some water? I have a bottle. I just need to fill it up. I just want water.
Hold that door.
Water!
You guys are heading back towards. We're down the right now.
I want water! Give me water! I need water! No!
Come on.
You'll get water later. Let's go. You're not gonna give me water? You kidding me? Let's go!
I don't understand why they always say, "Are you kidding me?" Like literally every one of these videos. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, no, we're just fucking with you here. Let me undo those cuffs and send you back to the plane. Like, no, they're not fucking kidding you.
Walk down the stairs now. Walk down the stairs.
I just want water.
Hold on tight, guys.
Will you get that?
I did see Delta Ego, but that's legal, right? Maybe like a couple hours ago, right before I walked to the terminal. Right before. Attention, just must ID. I'm just dehydrated. It's hot and I need water. And they won't give me any water.
I'll get you some drinks, but you need to cooperate.
I'll cooperate when I get water.
No, you're going to cooperate and then we'll get you water.
Stand in front of the car.
No, it doesn't make any sense.
That's what's going to happen.
I want water. I want water. I'll cooperate when I get water. I'm not hiding anything.
Spread your legs.
Do you see that tattoo she has? It says, "I'm human too." That's like her catchphrase. Mic drop.
No, we haven't even gotten one. Turn around. Okay. Walk this way.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you. What's your first name?
Sergeant.
Sergeant? Thank you, Sergeant. I'm tall.
You are tall.
Go to the other side.
Can I get some water?
You'll get water.
I know, but my mouth is so dry, it's hard to talk.
Okay, you'll get water. If you stop talking, your mouth might not
Exactly.
be
So
so
shut the fuck up then.
I can be quiet.
dry. We're getting you water. So did you only take Delta 8 or did you take something else?
No,
And you haven't had any alcohol today?
correct. I'm on sabbatical since May 5th of 2022. I'm on sabbatical, so I'm not drinking.
Okay.
Can I call my husband?
You can call your husband at booking.
At where?
At booking?
Is that when we get there?
Yes.
So I'm not going to be able to go home.
Probably not.
Not today.
Definitely not.
What's hurting me?
Well, they're not made to be comfortable.
Yeah, I can see that though. This is definitely my first time getting arrested. Check that off the bucket list.
So I can't take your cuffs off,
So
but
you can feed me? I mean, you can feed me.
yeah.
Put it up higher so I can see
Yeah.
the
I just don't want you to pour it all over yourself on accident.
She was definitely thirsty anyway. That goes what I'm saying.
You didn't get arrested for asking for water, for screaming in the middle of the airport, taking your dress off, and resisting arrest. You were screaming. Okay, what's a good phone number for you? Hoffman, come here. What do you do for work?
You mean like what I
Get in the car and learn something. What do you do for work?
you mean like
Like, what do you do for work? What's your job?
I don't have a job.
Okay. Okay, Sarah, what do you need to come with you?
Can I have water first?
You can have water once you get inside.
Okay. What did you say?
You can take one bag with you.
Okay, just one out of the three?
Yes.
Okay, can you unlock me from here? Or you want me to tell you which one?
I need you to tell me which one.
Let me think. Let me see. So we have. I'm trying to remember what I have in the car. I'm sorry. It's so hard to remember when you don't have water.
I'm going to assume it's probably the blue bag.
Yes, Louis. Yes.
Okay. Go to the other side and unbuckle her seatbelt.
I like your watch, although I'm
The cop, the lady cop is a little bit a little bit mean to like the other cop as well. You know? I'm just pointing that out. Like, I mean, get in the other side, get in the car and learn something. Shit, that bitch. And she's probably perfectly lovely, like, just not in this scenario.
not an Apple user. I think that they're like the dark side.
I see.
Android is better.
Okay.
Hi.
So,
Austin. Hi.
I'll have you step out for me, Sarah.
Okay. This might take a minute because I'm tall in here.
I know you're tall. Yeah, grab her blue
Give me some
backpack.
water.
You'll get water inside.
Okay. Hold on. I feel like I'm like moving slow. Like I'm fatigued, like emotionally exhausted.
You are fucking-
You know that I do research on burnout?
Yeah, you said that.
Oh, I did? Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah, I want to end burnout and I want to end mental illness and I want to have world peace.
Okay.
And I want a Nobel Peace Prize.
We're gonna walk to that door over there. Come on.
I was saying hi. What's
I'm
my
sure
hi?
you guys will get some time to talk.
Oh,
You two.
can I?
Come on.
Anyway, so there we have it. Yeah, that was quite something. Disrobing, screaming for water, and just completely detached. I don't know genuinely if this was a medical thing. It seemed like it was, to be honest. It did seem like it was a detachment from reality. But it could have been drugs. It could have been alcohol. I don't think it was alcohol, to be honest. It didn't strike me. Again, I've dealt with a lot of people on drugs and alcohol and, with severe mental health illnesses and stuff like that. It didn't strike me as alcohol, possibly drugs. Definitely some kind of psychosis. I don't know whether it's drug induced or otherwise, or it could be a mixture of the both. But yeah, make sure and vote for this lady in the next presidential elections. She'll be your first female American president of Kazakhstan. Great success. Sorry. You can't talk about Kazakhstan and not do Borat stuff. Anyway, with that, thank you so much, folks. I really hope you enjoyed that one. That was fucking, yeah. That was out there. So we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. And thank you so much for watching. Slán